I went to the Seoul Drone light show. There's no one who's been there just once. Every Friday at 7 o'clock. It's held at Dukseom Hangang Park, where all Seoul insiders gather. But there was so much traffic. The Dukseom parking lot was full. So I turned the car around and parked in the parking lot of the Culture and Sports Center in Gwangjin-gu. And I was able to arrive just in time. Wow, but there are so many people. It's been such a long time since I've seen so many people like this. I guess it's true that people who come every week to watch drone shows. I could find a seat quickly, too. The theme of the drone show changes every week. And today the show will be held under the theme of the Night Sky Museum. Finally, 1,000 drones began to fly in the sky. Colored drones was changed to paint and brush. Go's Starry Night is the first drama to feature a girl with pearl earrings and Marilyn Monroe. It's so pretty. Lee Jong-sub's cow was made into a drone. Wow Bob, it's been a while. How have you been? The curtain went down at the end of My Soul. It took just about 15 minutes to performance. The emotion in my heart was more touching than the 15-hour performance. I didn't have much expectation. I got so much healing. Next week's theme is the LOL World Championship. My friend, there will be a performance every week. Until November 3rd. So let's spend Friday night here.